The world's most advanced smart lock just got even better. Combining suggestions from all of our customers, we've taken the smart lock to the next level. This is the new Lockly Vision. From a brighter digital touchscreen that displays the world's most secure shuffling keypad to the modern zinc alloy enclosure that elevates your front door, the innovation does not stop there. We've added ultra-wide angle lens to our lock to give you the world's first all-in-one smart lock and video doorbell, combining what is normally two devices into one. From the push of a button, instantly get notified on your phone who's at the door. Remotely lock and unlock from your iOS or Android app, or even communicate with the guest when you're not there from anywhere in the world. Our latest power managing system allows your lock to last up to 12 months and even stores videos on our Smart Hub to be accessed from the cloud anywhere in the world. With the Pin Genie touchscreen, know your keypad is secure from prying eyes. While the location of the numbers are different every time it's displayed, your code doesn't change, making it hard for others to guess the correct code before being locked out. Besides the keypad, unlock your door with your fingerprint, voice, smartphone, and even a physical key. Installation takes just a few minutes and is compatible with right and left swing doors.
Ready for a smarter, more secure front door? With the Yale ULTRALOQ connected by August, your phone can now be your key. Available in a number of Yale Assure styles, control and monitor your door from anywhere using the August app on your phone. Securely unlock and lock your door even when you're away from home. There's no need to pull your phone out of your pocket or enter your code. The door automatically unlocks and locks for you. And if you forget your phone or your phone battery dies, unlock using your entry code on the keypad. Lock up by simply tapping the keypad. On your August app, create secure virtual keys for friends, family, or people you trust. Grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. Want to know who's coming and going? Track your door's activity with August 24/7 activity feed so you know when loved ones are home. And with DoorSense, always know your door is both closed and locked for total peace of mind. Lock, unlock, and check lock status just by asking Siri, Alexa, or the Google Assistant. At Yale, we believe you shouldn't sacrifice security for convenience. That's why our locks are tested to exceed industry standards and backed by bank-grade encryption. Installation is easy. The Yale ULTRALOQ replaces your existing deadbolt in minutes with just a screwdriver. And to connect to your August app, simply insert the August module, plug in the August Connect, and download the free app. Available on both Android and iOS. The Yale ULTRALOQ. Smarter than ever. Beautiful as always. Never any keys.
This is the Lockly Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by Pin Genie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. Digits are distributed randomly across 4 buttons and are different every time, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. An advanced 3D fingerprint sensor can store up to 99 fingerprints and only recognizes physical fingers, preventing the use of lifted or replicated prints, allowing those registered access. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockly's patent-pending offline access code, Lockly is the only smart lock in the world that does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. Lockly Secure works universally for most doors and is available in deadbolt and latch editions. Lockly. Come home secure.
What else could a guy want? Great family, good house, Wi-Fi. Wait, no, I didn't click that ad. Sorry, didn't mean to click that. But imagine that. Come on in, Ryan. Wow. It'd have to be easy to set up though. Last thing I need is another installation disaster. No smart home hub. No idea how those work. This only needs Wi-Fi? That sounds pretty simple. Certainly could make life easier. And I suppose it would offer more protection. Could even keep an eye on things while we're out. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
Hey Google, is the front door locked?
The front door is locked.
Dad, why don't you just get the Halo smart lock so we can stop listening to you dream about it?
Oh no, they can hear me. How long has this been the case?